And so we're back to the Bean Spot in Antipolo, the coffee shop. And if you remember the older video, we went there with good food. Yup. And here's their page. Link will be in the description below. Alright? Yeah, for now, let's start with the Waze drive along. Here we started SMCT Masinag from Marcos Highway. On the Sumulong intersection, we make a right turn as if we're going to Antipolo proper. Right? So we make a right turn to Sumulong. Keep going up. And yes, Waze will start from Valley Golf because we're coming from Valley Golf. Here, keep going straight. As you can see, Our Lady of Fatima University and Antipolo is on the left there. You keep going straight, you go past that. You go past Patty's Point and Cloud 9. Keep going straight. Yep. And then until here, until the Assumption Antipolo. Keep going straight. And then you see Robinson's Place Antipolo. On the intersection, you make a left turn. Alright? Yes, slightly past Robinson's Place Antipolo. Here it is. You can see on your left, Robinson's Place Antipolo. Yep. We keep going straight because up ahead is going to be in the intersection. We're going to make a left turn over there. Alright? So drive along with us. Keep going here. Yes, motorcycle. This is about 9:30 p.m. So there's no more traffic. It's flowing really good. It's nighttime because the Bean Spot is open until 12 midnight. So that's pretty cool. All right. Now we're gonna make a left turn here at the intersection upcoming. Yep. And here we're gonna make a left turn. All right. Here we are. All right. Because it's already 9:30, so there's no more traffic or stoplight. So it's first stop, first to go. So we be patient here. But of course, pardon me, in my country, there's no first stop, first to go. So it's gonna be first to go, me first. All right. So we'll let them pass. We'll let them be. Keep going. Careful on the motorbikes. There's lots everywhere. All right. Now we keep going straight. It's about 400, 500 meters ahead. We will see 7-Eleven and Petron again. We make a left turn there. That's Silawis Street. Right? Keep going straight. You can see Robinson's Place and Antipolo is on your left. Basically, we turn left right after on the intersection, as you saw earlier. Yep. We keep going straight now. It's an easy travel. So easy to go to Bean Spot if you're coming from Marcos Highway. It's so easy, right? Just keep going straight on the main road. All right, and we go straight ahead, and we see Lawis there. You make a left turn. There'll be 7-Eleven and Petron there on your left. So we make a left turn on Lawis Street extension. Here it is. You see 7-Eleven and Petron. So we'll make a left turn here. Okay, once again, first to stop, first to go. So, we'll take it easy on the traffic, guys. We just gotta be patient here. Just be a responsible driver, just like my brother. All right, now there's space. We'll let them go. All right, now we can go here. All right, yep. Now Waze says about 500 to 600 meters ahead, we're gonna get there. So it's gonna be easy. It's here. Turn left, go straight ahead, and we're there. And you won't miss it because here you can see the trees. The big tree by the parking lot is full of lights. It's no longer Christmas, but it's just by design. Look at that. So it's really nice and lively. It's not really dark or dangerous. So we make a turn left here on the parking lot. All right. Okay, there. Okay, the guard is telling us, on the way out, we show them the receipt. This way, we park as a customer on the Bean Spot. All right. Look at this. Plentiful parking. Oh, there's more people now than the last time. That's really good because the Bean Spot opened December 2024. So it's just a few months now. Here, my brother ordered beef gyudon and of course gyoza. And I did order the bulgogi egg rice. Oh yeah. And of course, some fries, the favorite. And yes, the legendary iced Americano. Yes, here's mine. The bulgogi egg rice. Oh, it looks really good. There was no fries, so they said I'll just get the wings. So I did have the wings here. Yes, and then is my brother's order and his gyoza. Oh, it looks so good, right? Yes, all the food is actually good, and it doesn't disappoint. The wings are so good. Yep. This is why we don't regret going back here. We plan to go the third time. Here, I'm doing live, so you can check my channel because we actually did live there with the whole time we were there. So it's gonna be cool to check. Yes, the Bean Spot. Oh yes, one of my top favorite cafes here at Antipolo. And so, the ambience is so nice. We're outside, there's a bunch of people, but they're all friendly. Yes, so here, link will be in the description below. Here's their page. Let's look at it again. As you can see, the daytime cozy and good. Yes, the ambience is just excellent. And yes, there's a reason why we keep going back here because the food is just excellent. Let's look at the pictures here. Let me show you. Oh, you look at that. We've been here. This is our second time, and it feels like we need to go back here like at least 3 more times to be able to enjoy all the good food. And their tumblers are really cool. Look at that. You want pastries? Those cookies and the all day breakfast. Oh, this is so good. We gotta keep coming back here. I want to try all the food that they can offer. Look at that. You can click here for the earlier video. All right. Yes. So this is a good spot. You guys gotta check it out if you love coffee and coffee shops. This is excellent spot. The Bean Spot Antipolo. Alright? Yeah. And thanks for watching and subscribe. This way you can check out all the other adventures here. Alright? Yeah.